Today, we are going to discuss strategies and tools that need to implement in our organization to improve our productivity. My name is Amirul Haris bin Zaid as a chairperson in this organization.
My name is Raisha Adina Rosman. I'm secretary in this organization.
My name is Nurina Munira and I am the supervisor for this company.
My name is Kirti Makiswaran. I am the productivity analyst of this organization.
My name is Tina Hamiza. I am the IT manager of this organization.
Hi, I am Mohika Bakri Abdullah. I am the HR manager for this company.
Alright, before we continue our discussion, Miss Aisha, please confirm the attendance.
Yes, the attendance is sufficient. We may proceed with the meeting.
Thank you. I hope all members can share their views clearly so that we can reach particular solutions. I will now ask the secretary, Miss Aisha, to read the agenda.
Thank you, Chairperson. The agenda for today includes number 1, identify the key productivity issue. Next, discussing suitable strategies to address this issue. Next, proposing tools or system to improve performance. And lastly, finalizing an action plan.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Aisha. Let's begin with the first agenda. I would like to invite our supervisor, Miss Munira, to explain the current productivity challenges.
Thank you, Chairperson. Based on my daily observation, there are several issues that affect the productivity of our department. First, many tasks do not have a clear or standard workflow. As a result, staff spend extra time trying to understand the correct steps. Second, communication between departments is often delayed and inconsistent. For example, when department update centers change the project are not shared in a timely manner, which leads to duplication of work and misunderstanding. Some employees have difficulty prioritizing their tasks. They sometimes focus on low priority tasks while urgent tasks are left unfinished. Or we still rely heavily on manual process, such as data entry, report writing, and task tracking. This manual may increase the possibility of error and slow down our activity. Overall, after issue reduce our productivity performance and affect the company KPI result.
Thank you, Miss Munira. I would like to invite our productivity analyst, Miss Kirtini, to share supporting insights.
Thank you. After reviewing performance data and feedback from staff, the productivity challenges can be summarized into 3 critical main areas. And the first one would be lack of standardized process, which leads to variation in task completion time. For an example, without clear SOPs, standard operating procedures, employees complete tasks using different methods, causing inconsistency in speed and output quality. And the second one would be low digital adoption, where employees relies on manual tracking. For an example, many team members still rely on traditional methods such as spreadsheets and paper-based documents. This limits efficiency and makes collaboration difficult. And the final one would be limited performance monitoring, where it makes it harder to evaluate the progress. For an example, we do not have real-time dashboards or structured tracking systems. This makes it difficult to identify bottlenecks quickly or evaluate production accurately. If these gaps are not addressed, they may lead to long-term inefficiencies and reduced organizational performance. So I suggest we should address these gaps will significantly improve efficiency. That's all from my side.
Thank you, Ms. Kirtini. We will now move to the second agenda, which is strategies to improve productivity. I will invite the HR manager, Mr. Wahyu, to share his suggestion.
Thank you, sir. From my perspective, enhancing employee capability is essential. I recommend the following strategies. The first one is time management and task prioritizations workshop. Using methods such as the Eisenhower matrix and the Pomodoro technique to help staff work more efficiently. Second one, a clearer guidelines for task delegation, ensuring every employee understands their responsibilities, deadlines, and expected outcomes. Other than that, monthly coaching and mentoring sessions to provide continuous feedback, identify weaknesses, and strengthen employee performance. Last but not least, introducing a reward and recognition system to motivate employees who consistently achieve productivity targets. On this, all the points that I give to you all guys, these strategies will build a more competent, confident, and well-supported workforce, which naturally improve our productivity. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wahyu. I would like to hear from the IT manager, Ms. Hamiza, regarding technology-based strategies.
Thank you, Mr. Amirul. Okay. To enhance our company productivity through technology, I propose to firstly implementing project management software such as Trello, Asana, and Monday.com. This software organizes tasks, track progress, and ensure clear visibility of deadlines. Secondly, using digital communication platforms such as Microsoft Teams or Slack to centralize team communication and reduce miscommunication. The third one is to automate repetitive process such as data entry, report generation, or follow-up reminders using tools like Microsoft Power Automate or Google Workspace Automation. And the last one is shifting to cloud-based storage like Google Drive or OneDrive to streamline document sharing, access, and collaboration. So these technology-driven strategies will help accelerate workflows, reduce errors, and improve team productivity.
Very good, Ms. Hamiza. Now, Ms. Munira, do you have any additional operational strategies?
For an operational perspective, I suggest a few steps to help improve our department productivity. First, we should hold weekly alignment meeting to ensure that all team members clearly understand the priorities for the week and what is expected of them. This will help reduce confusion and ensure that everyone is moving in the same direction. Next, it is important to develop complete standard operating procedure (SOP) for all key tasks. With the right SOP, our process will be more standard and staff will not longer have to spend extra time figuring out the right step. Additionally, creating a visual workflow can help clearly outline the step of the task, making it easy to staff to follow procedure correctly and efficiently. Overall, this strategy will help improve quality, consistency, and teamwork across department, allowing us to work more smoothly and achieve greater results.
Thank you, Ms. Munira. Now, let's proceed to the third agenda, which is tools needed to support these strategies. I will begin with productivity analyst, Ms. Kritini.
Thank you. Based on the proposed strategies, the tools needed included. The first one would be productivity dashboards to track on KPI, which is key performance indicator in real time. Real-time productivity dashboards using Power BI or Google Data Studio to monitor KPIs and project status. And the second one would be digital time tracking applications to measure task duration. For an example, digital time tracking tools such as Clockify or Toggle to measure task duration and identify inefficiencies. And the third one would be SOP templates to standardize routine tasks. SOP templates and workflow management tools through Notion or ClickUp help us to standardize routine tasks. And the last one would be Kanban boards via Trello to visualize task progress and identify bottlenecks quickly. These tools will help us to detect issues clearly, measure performance accurately, and support continuous improvement. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Kritini. Now, Mr. Wahyu, HR Manager, do you have any HR related tools to recommend?
Yeah. For my side, I recommend some following rules for this issue. The first one is employee performance management system (EPMS), such as BIM HR, Kika HR, or SAP success factors to employees set goals, track performance, and receive structured feedback. Second one is training management system (TMS) to plan, organize, and monitor employee upskilling programs. This tool will help us build a more capable and high-performing workforces.
Thank you, Mr. Wahyu. And for IT, Ms. Hamiza.
Alright, so regarding system implementation, I would like to propose a 3-month trial of Trello and Microsoft Teams as the primary platforms for the task management and communication. And other than that is the full adoption of Google Workspace for centralized document management and basic workflow automation using Microsoft Power Automate to streamline routine tasks such as reminders and reporting.
Thank you, Ms. Hamiza. We will now finalize the final action. Ms. Aisha, please list the proposed actions.
Thank you, Ms. Amirul. Based on the discussion, the action plan is as follows. Number 1, HR department will organize time management and prioritization workshop. Next, IT department will set up Trello and terms for a 3-month trial. And next, supervisor will prepare standard operating procedure for quotas. Next, productivity analyst will develop a productivity dashboard and tracking system. Next, weekly progress meeting will be conducted every Monday morning. And lastly, a review will be done after 3 months to evaluate improvements.
Thank you, Ms. Aisha. Are there any objections or additions?
No, sir.
Before we end our discussion, I would like to ask a few questions before we end our meeting. First, Ms. Munira, what are the 3 main things that are improved through these strategies?
The 3 main things that are improved through this strategy is clarity, consistency, and emphasis.
Thank you, Ms. Munira. Next, Ms. Kirtini, which issues should we focus on first, and how can we solve this?
We should fix the lack of standard processes first. The solution is to create clear SOPs so everyone works the same.
Thank you, Ms. Kirtini. Ms. Hamiza, how long is the trial period for Trello and Microsoft Teams?
Like I said before, the trial process for this software is 3 months.
Thank you, Ms. Hamiza. Mr. Wahyu, why is enhancing employees' capability important for HR?
Enhancing employee capability is important because it helps build more competent and productive workforces.
Thank you, Mr. Wahyu. If there are no further comments, I declare the meeting is dismissed. Thank you everyone for cooperation. Let's work together to implement the strategies and tools in order to improve our productivity. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.